guys, this is what I got tonight on one of my phones. It says up storm warning, up to 40 centimeters of snow coming to southern Ontario. Oh my goodness, I am in southern Ontario, and where the red is, that's the area that's going to be affected. And it shows Toronto right there. I don't know, I cannot focus it. We are affected by this big storm. It's going to be a monster storm. Imagine 40 centimeters of snow. I remember 30. And we are at a standstill. Everything was on hold. That's going to be a bummer. Okay, so what I do to prepare for this is I'm going to prepare my emergency bag because we might have oh, it is very windy. So we're bracing, Toronto is bracing for what could be the biggest snowstorm to hit the city in 2 years, and there's already a lot of cancellations and closures. I'm supposed to have my meeting tonight. So 40 centimeters of snow were dumped during the storm last night, and that's what happened. People are out clearing the snow, shoveling, and here I am walking. It's my daily walks. I don't like going to the gym anymore because for me, gym is addictive. Once I'm there, I don't want to leave. Just want to stay there until I get really tired. So that's not good. There's no self-control. So I have my walks. I'll just do so many blocks in an hour and a half, and I'm done for the day. So just to show you guys, there's just a lot of snow, and we're expecting rain today. I don't know if it's true, so it's gonna be messy later on. You can see from the clouds it's kind of dark, so I'm sure the rain's gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna walk. This path is not clear. You guys, I'm wearing Arctic boots. I don't know if you can see it. The ugliest boots are the best boots for winter. I can't walk straight. That's the lake on my right, and I won't be going there for mountain of snow. Snow plow guys came early this morning here. Look at those kids. They're playing in the snow. Mountain of snow cleared up by those guys. You see those hard-working snow plow guys? I really had to admire them. Working so hard in after the storm. So I understand they work overnight, overtime. It's so hard to get it steady. Those guys are working so hard. He stopped. He knew I was taking a video of him. I think I gotta stop. Oh no. They closed off the walkway. Where am I gonna go? I'm gonna climb up this snow mountain. Alright. That was something else. Ugh. They said it's supposed to rain later on. I don't know. We'll wait and see. Where are the kids when you need them? The kids in the neighborhood. Oh my goodness, they're really working hard. Wow, awesome. Nice neighborhood. I am sitting on top of the snowbanks and more snowbanks, and the dogs are walking. So many dogs in this neighborhood, and a lot of them I know by names because I talk to them. I talk to all the dogs in the neighborhood. Some of them I know from when they were puppies, but now they're old. They're senior dogs. But it's life. They get old too. Mountain of snow. I'm still walking. I'm walking on the road because it's plowed. Oh, side street. I can't walk. They covered it. They dumped all the snow there, so I'm gonna go.